before we get into the fun stuff, before we get into the fun stuff, we had to go with the green eggs and hair. Okay, we're not gonna play this entire thing through because this is one of Anton's videos. If you want to go and view his video all the way through, feel free to check it out on his channel. This just popped up on TikTok, so I couldn't find another video without Anton or anybody else, so we're just gonna go ahead and just use his video. Let go.
Hi, my name is Isa Obradovich, and on Tuesday, January 13th, at around 11 in the morning, I was escorted out of my middle school art student teaching placement. I have a script that I'm going to be reading from because I want to be very careful with my words. On Tuesday, January 13th, at around 11 in the morning, I was escorted out of my middle school art student teaching placement.
Okay.
I was informed that the district received several complaints from concerned parents about the video I posted the day before. In the video, I spoke about turning down a sponsorship from Wayfair as they sell beds to, quote, a government contractor furnishing a federal detention center for migrants near the U.S.-Mexico border, end quote. In this video, I said ICE, and at the end of the video, I put up my middle finger while saying that I believe that ICE agents should kill. I could certainly have chosen my words better and avoided using vulgar language and gestures, but my stance remains firm. I stand on the side of humanity and will not endorse any institution who supports ICE. I have chosen to keep the video visible on my page. My values and actions are always rooted in a deep love for humanity, including love for my own community members as a first-generation child of French and Peruvian immigrants. Members of my community are actively being killed and kidnapped en masse by ICE, a rogue paramilitary force that answers to the child 34-time felon who is currently President of the United States. I stand by my message, even if my choice of verbiage could have been more tactful. For full transparency, I've posted the email I sent to the district yesterday following my termination. Thankfully, I have the privilege of not needing to student teach in order to graduate. I've chosen to not pursue another student teaching placement since I figured similar issues would arise considering the size of my audience on social media. I don't want to comprise neither my values nor those of any school district. I will graduate without licensure, which I was not planning on applying for anyways because I don't intend to teach in the United States for the foreseeable future. I have the full support of my professors, which I'm so grateful for. Since around January of last year, I have been making arrangements to move to France after I graduate in May 2026. I'm a dual citizen and have been speaking French since before I even learned to speak English. I'm going to be fine.
I wish the majority of these raging liberals would.
All right, so this is tough, man. This is tough. Because first of all, I'm feeling some type of way. Because dadgummit, I'm trying to get a sponsorship with Wayfair. I need to go and check her social. I know they normally care about mostly like TikTok and Instagram, I believe, to get on their program. And I don't really be active that much on either one of those platforms. So I'm already feeling some type of way about that. We gonna get the numbers up though. We gonna get the numbers up and try to reapply. But you have fumbled the bag twice. One, your teaching job. This is something that I'm pretty sure that you probably wanted to do, that you love to do, and you fumbled it all because you couldn't keep your mother-loving mouth shut, or you couldn't find a better way to voice your opinion about a situation. There are better ways to handle yourself instead of using those 3 and 4 letter words like children. But no, you gonna be extra and stick a freaking middle finger up it. Man. Ooh. Now, as I was saying, hold on. Yeah, now as I was saying, you gonna throw all of that away, your Wayfair deal or whatever, and your job because of your mouth. And when I see green hair, blue hair, purple hair, pink hair, I already know it's about to be some BS. Because it's like those people, I don't know if it's something in the dye or something or whatever, but these people just be, they be far left. They be on the far left. They brains just be out there somewhere. And it's unfortunate that these people are teachers. These people are teaching your children. They're teaching kids. And if they can't control, why? We're going to have to start doing background checks on these people before they start being hired to sit there in front of a class and teach kids. You out here, you can't even get yourself together. What the hell? What good is you going to be to somebody else's kids, bro? Let me know. Good grief, man. You that upset over Trump and ICE. Now, I will say this. I do not agree with everything that ICE has got going on right now. Under no circumstances should we be out, or not we, but should they be out here taking people's lives. I don't agree with that. Say what you want. I don't care, man. It's a lot of stuff that, I'm cool with, I'm okay with, but under no circumstances is it ever okay to take anybody's life. I'm never gonna be down with that. Those are just my morals, man. I'm good on this. I can't get with that. I understand the frustration and everything behind it, but as a person that's in education, do you not realize that your voice? And I'm guessing she's probably a big TikTok. I wanted to see what her following was and go check out her page, but we don't see it on there. But yeah, man, it's unfortunate that these people don't even realize like the error in their mother loving ways, and they think that stuff like this is okay. It's not. It really isn't, man. But y'all let me know, what do you guys think down in the comments about this, man? And also, if y'all know who this young lady's name is, please drop it down in the comments. I'm trying to see how many followers she got on TikTok, because I need to know how many I need to get that Wayfair deal. Comment. They got some expensive stuff on it. I'm just trying to see what's good. You know what I'm talking about?
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.